It was an unreciprocated love, but I gave that person like an iPad. Sabi ko, why is school not really accommodating the unique gift of a person? A very important statement in my life right now is build a life that you're proud of.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire! This is the podcast where we ask the millionaires the same slam book questions to uncover how their childhood and teenage years shaped their path to wealth.
Each week, we will sit down with inspiring individuals to reveal the hidden stories behind their extraordinary journeys.
We will discover how their childhood dreams became realities, how they overcame their biggest challenges, and who helped them along the way. My name is Joanna.
My name is Jav. Get ready to be inspired and learn from the slam book secrets of the self-made millionaires.
Subscribe now, and together, let's unlock the secrets to success. Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire
With Joanna,
Jam Episode 9! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited for today's episode, Jebeli.
bakit pag nagano tayo high pitch?
Hindi ko nga rin alam. Bakit ba? Parang may nakalunok ba tayo ng mikropono? Or parang nag-audition ba tayo kay Ryan
Excited
Cayabyab?
lang talaga tayo
I think.
for our guest.
Yes, and going back, yes, dun sa guest natin
Yes.
for today, I heard a lot of things. Kasi marites tayo. Alam mo ba?
So,
Alam
yun
mo ba
na
yung
nga.
latest? Hindi, this guest of ours, nakakatuwa kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman, he actually came to the event of Florus na pala.
Kaya
To the Millionaire Mind Intensive. I didn't know. But I've been hearing lots of things about him. Kasi of course, ang liit lang naman ng mundo ng,
Correct.
ng self-mastery, ng personal development, eh, 'di ba? Kumbaga, parang at the end of the day, tayo-tayo lang din naman yung magkakabungguan. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this guy, especially because he has his own event also. So sa mga sa mga listeners natin right now, if you're familiar with New Bold You,
Yes.
eto pong tao na to ang makakausap po natin in a little while. And I actually heard so much good things about the NBU event because the last NBU that happened, he has Jan Pagulayan, Don Soriano, Nikki, yeah, mga community builders
community
essentially.
builders, leaders.
Yes, and also FIBO was there. But I believe FIBO was one of the attendees lang. Alam mo naman, pag si FIBO umattend ng isang event, it only means maganda talaga.
Correct.
Kaya binabalik-balikan niya.
Oo,
Right?
true.
Ayun. So excited ako sa conversation natin because to be honest, to our viewers and mga listeners natin right now, we haven't met him in person.
Yes, we've heard about him, but ngayon lang namin siya makikita in person.
Yes.
Makakausap in person.
So just like you po, that's why sobrang excited po kami ni Jeff sa conversation na to kasi marami po kayong malalaman about him, but at the same time, kami rin.
Excited na ba siya?
Yes, this is our time to discover and
Yes.
make new connections because at the end of the day, lagi nga natin sinasabi, business is all about connections, but
Business
hindi
is all
basta
about
connection. Yeah,
relationship.
real connection. So
Correct.
that's why this is an exciting episode for us. But before we do that, oh my gosh, Jev, nakita mo ba yung drinks natin? This time I wanna have this green juice naman. Again, maraming salamat po to our sponsor, Pillow Bread PH.
Clara, thank you so much for this coffee.
Yes, ikaw naman yung magko-coffee ngayon. Ako, I'm gonna have my green smoothie kasi I already have this. And sobrang nakaka-feel po talaga siya. Hindi pa ako nagugutom even until now. But I think I need the green smoothie right now.
And for me naman, this is actually very safe for lactose intolerant people like me.
Yes.
Kasi that's the reason why I don't drink coffee that much. Kasi because of the milk.
Yeah, nagbe-burp.
And that's poison
ganyan.
for
Oo.
me. So this is very safe.
So, abangan
FDA
po
approved.
ninyo. Abangan po kung magbe-burp si Jev, mamaya.
Pero dairy-free.
Dairy-free,
Check.
vegan.
Check. Vegan, check. Ano pa? Meron pa isa.
Lactose. Lactose intolerant.
Dairy-free.
Dairy-free, gluten-free. Meron pang isa, nakalimutan.
Sugar-free.
Yun, lahat na free. Yan na
And
po.
most especially FDA approved.
Yes.
Yan.
At maraming salamat, of course, once again, to Pillow Beds PH for this wonderful place where we are doing the Slam Book A Millionaire. So if you're looking for a place para po sa mga podcast, sa mga contents po ninyo, go to the Pillow Beds PH because they're very accommodating. Sobrang
Yes.
linis, sobrang mabango, at napakaganda
Good
po ng energy.
And it's very close to a mall. 2 to 3 minutes ba? Or 30
Yes.
minutes? 30 minutes. 30
2 to
second
3
walk.
minutes. Yes. So, without further ado, tawagin na ba natin
Excited
siya?
na ako dito.
Excited na ako. Pero saglit, lalagok. Baka Tagalog, no? Lalagok muna ako ng aking
Hindi
green
pwedeng
juice.
iinom. Kailangan lagok. Dapat may tunog.
Alam mo kung bakit? Parang kanina kasi, before tayo nag-start, I heard somebody said the word. I heard. Nabasa ko yung word na lalagok. So, nag-stick siya sa mind ko. Yan.
Parang ang hirap yung lagok. Pag may tunog, ano
Oo,
to?
paano? Ano na lang? Slurp, slurp. Ayan. So, abangan namin. Yan. So, ayan po.
Without further ado.
Dear viewers, dear listeners, we are so proud and happy. Finally, first time in the history of Slumbook Millionaire na meron po kaming guest na hindi pa po talaga namin na-meet in person ever.
Ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang. Let's all welcome him, Mr. Ralph Laico! Ayan.
Hey, thank you very much for having me, guys.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Ang saya ko dito, nag-enjoy. Parang ako nag-watch sa inyo dito.
Nakikita ko nga panayang-tangop.
Oo.
Ay, pero please accept our gratitude
Yes.
talaga. Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
having me as well. I'm excited. I've been watching you guys earlier. You guys are like so engaging. So I cannot wait to for what to happen later.
Yes. So alam mo na ba kung anong
Yeah.
mga pag-uusapan natin?
Not yet. Oo.
So, simplihan na natin. Nung pasahin na kagad
Let's go.
natin, girl. Ano na kagad?
Diretso na agad.
Diretso na kagad.
Walang
Ano yung first
patong-pito.
question? Wala.
Okay. First question, ready ka na ba?
Oh, scary. Boy-abunda levels ba to?
Hindi, kasi you've heard about Slum Book, di ba? You
Yes.
experienced it. So alam mo na yung mga
Yes.
questions doon.
Oh no. Yeah.
Simulan natin sa
Okay.
define love.
Oh! Seryoso to? Define
Seryoso
na? Oh no! Medyo di ko siya na-open lately. Yung topic na to eh.
Pero nung bata ka kasi, di ba, doon sa
Yeah.
slam book,
Yeah.
hinihingan tayo ng definition about love,
Yes.
ganyan.
Yes.
So kami, lagi kasi namin to na-share sa mga viewers namin.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba, yung mga love is like a rosary full of mystery.
Yeah.
At sa slam book, sa kanilang lugar, ano nga yun, girl? Ulitin mo.
Huwag na nating anuhin.
Love is like a river.
Uy, hindi.
Ano?
Like a chewing gum.
At chewing gum, di ko alam bakit.
Pag dumikit, malagkit.
Ah! Diba?
Sabi ko, wag
Gusto
mo
kayong
na
lumalagkit
ulitin
na love. Ay, wait. Or no.
Sa kanilang lugar lang, di ko nga alam.
No judgment ako doon.
Never
No judgment.
na-encounter.
Whatever
No
experience
judgment.
ng
No
love niya, doon
judgment.
tayo.
Pero nung una
Diba?
niya sinabi,
Oo.
kasi na-expect niya na tatapusin ko, hindi ko alam, girl. Hindi ko alam kasunod.
Hindi pa na siya
ikaw?
umabot sa Manila.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ikaw, how do you define love?
Love in general, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. Well, I'm a natural lover. Hey.
Gusto ko yun. Natural love.
Yeah, wow. On with everybody watching. Which means lang sa akin, I think it's just my language to care. Like, I think I grew up with amazing parents and they really taught me the values of taking care of another person, the people around me. So, it's something that you freely give. It's coming from an ending source. So,
Alright.
love
Ganda
is
na.
just basically a way of connecting
Love is a way of
Gusto ko itong
connecting.
motherhood statements. Kailan ba yun?
Mother Teresa.
Oh,
ganyan.
okay.
Shout out to mother.
Let's go.
And
Yeah.
shout out to your parents kasi
Yes.
talagang ang ganda nung values
Yeah.
na in-instill nila sa So even until now ba, do you live by that definition of love?
Yeah. I think before we do have some restrictions on how we express ourselves, right? Because I think
Yes.
our ultimate authentic versions is basically love expressed.
Yes.
Right? It's basically when you're already wishing another human being the best of what they could be.
Yes.
Anything. When we create, it's out of love.
Yes.
Correct.
And that's why it's felt, especially when you create products, services, events. When it's
Yes.
born or made out of love, it's now a human connection.
True.
So, yeah, I experience it every day. And I think right now in our age, Parang ito na talaga, love or never. Hey! Pag hindi siya peaceful, let's go. Move it.
Yes.
Correct.
Kapag may restrictions,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, parang may tightening, parang may holding back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sabi nga nila, the greatest feeling of all is to love and be loved.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo.
Akala ko, ano
Talagang
yung kanta?
February na February tayo
Ano
ngayon.
yung kanta? Wait,
Oo.
may kanta na. The greatest love.
I
Ay, di pala.
know.
Iba pala,
Itawid mo.
iba pala yun.
Itawid mo,
Oh my
itawid
gosh.
mo.
Hindi
Lalabas
na, kalimutan na lang natin, guys.
Oo.
Paki-edit.
Yes. Dapat mga ano na tayo ngayon eh. Sino nga yung singer na yun? Yung si
Moira.
Moira na yung mga levels natin.
Hindi,
Hindi
hindi natin hindi ko kaya
Lalabas
mag-Moira. Yung
agad.
parang laging bumubulong.
Oo.
Sabi nga, parang laging inaantok lang. Pero kumakanta
Ganun
pala.
kasi ano ngayon eh, trending ngayon. Bumubulog na.
Pero favorite mo ba
Hindi na
siya?
siya birit-birit.
I love her. I mean, I love the music. Yeah.
What kind of music do you love right now?
Right now, I'm into house jazz music.
Oh, yeah.
Chill.
Chill. Like, I just wanna be in the moment and
Correct.
just really stop the distractions and
Yes.
just be human and
Yeah,
connect.
next to mga tawag dito mga sina Mozart. ang next ko jazz.
High level naman, high level na.
Si Mozart kasi I listen to him kapag
Yeah.
nag-work ako. And
Yes,
then when
kasi
I wanted to
nakakatulong.
relax, jazz lang din. So para
Yeah.
para sa akin yung next very intellectual song
Yeah.
would be the jazz na.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why, even
Yes.
sa mga coffee shop, di ba,
Yes.
jazz,
Yes.
it's relaxing and you can focus.
Yeah, yeah. What I like about house jazz though is that it's it's very social. Kasi, di ba, jazz is a beautiful listening experience, but
Yeah.
once you play it with your friends, it becomes like like you guys are more connected kasi
Yes.
it's not anymore trying to be modern, it's just basically social reaction.
Yeah, kasi nandoon yung parang chill vibes,
Correct.
'di ba?
Yes.
Ang sarap niya pakinggan.
Oo.
At saka kasi ang maganda kapag ganun yung background mo, tapos you are with your friends,
Yes.
you get to focus more with your friend.
Yes.
Kasi yung
Tapos with
music,
wine,
hindi siya
diba?
yes,
Music,
hindi siya
loud.
nag-i-interfere sa
Correct.
thoughts mo. Kasi
Mm.
halimbawa, imagine mo, mag-play ka ng mga usong kanta right now, apathy, ganyan. Biglang kakanta ka. Mapapasunod ka.
Yung pala yun, akala ko na.
Alam ba si Moira, biglang kakanta ka na lang din or kaya parang biglang may magre-reminisce
Yeah.
ka. But with jazz kasi it just allows you to flow and be
Yeah.
in the moment.
Yes.
'Di ba? So,
Yeah.
ang love language mo ba service?
Yeah.
Kasi very apparent
It
siya doon sa
always.
statement mo.
Yeah.
So, love language ang giving mo, pero ano ang receiving mo?
Words of affirmation.
Words of affirmation.
And number 2, touch. Hey!
Can
Well,
I
that's true
touch
though.
you?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, I feel love. Yeah.
Yun may
Ang bilis.
I love
Please
it.
for that top those are the top two. Pero the first one is words of affirmation. It's really just what it is. No?
Receiving ko.
Nice.
Yes.
Achiever talaga tayo, Besh. Oo. Magaling ba ako? Pakisabi.
Super galing mo!
Oo.
And,
Oo.
oh my gosh, Ralph, I love how you look.
Oh, thanks. Oh,
Ra-
wow. Okay. Enjoy ko lang.
Ito
I
lang.
receive.
Sabi nila, ang love language mo because in your past or in your kabataan days,
Yeah.
Yun daw yung
it's something
missing.
na missing or tama ba?
Yeah. Well, I had a lot of it from my parents because they're just natural people.
So,
mali
myth,
siya.
it's a myth.
It's a myth.
It's a mix, Besh.
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi siguro
More,
sabi
more,
nga
more.
nila, in
Yeah.
every rule, there's always an exemption.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, hindi po pwede siyang maging 100% or absolute truth to
Yes.
everybody.
That's true. I
Yeah,
agree.
so you are the exemption for that.
Yes.
But going back, I love how you look.
Thank
You know
you.
what, girl? Kasi not all men, kakayanin nilang mag-carry
Pull
ng
off
gan-
na,
oo, ng
yes.
ganito. So I love it when men are
Yeah.
wearing yung mga ganito talaga na
Yeah.
designer, na
Yeah.
talagang there's so much attention
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah, it's my Harry Styles era. Let's go.
Diba?
Flower na. Kulang na rin, may dala pa akong flowers for you.
Yes, why
Yeah.
not? Nagre-receive po kami.
yes.
Ano po kami? Excellent receiver. So,
True.
going back to the love,
Yeah.
who would you consider as your first love in terms of your self-growth journey?
My first love would be definitely my mom, siguro.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think they're the people talaga who taught us what
Yes.
personal development is.
Correct.
And that is really the basic respect one person, you know, be a good human being. Moving forward, I think one of the best people that has given me, like the first teachers talaga of personal development for me, that's hard, no? I think Robert Kiyosaki, to be honest.
Really?
That what was, he was an outlier in the 90s eh.
True,
Correct.
true.
Diba?
Talagang, challenge niya
Yeah.
yung marami nating financial beliefs or
Correct.
money beliefs at the time. That's why he
Yeah.
became so popular kasi
Yeah.
napaka-controversial din ng mga statements niya.
Correct,
Yes.
correct.
So you started with Rich Dad Poor Dad book.
I think Rich Dad Poor Dad because I'm from the province, Jensan.
Oh, pareho kayo!
You're from Jensan?
Medyo.
Maguindanao area.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Mindanao.
Pareho
yeah.
kayo ni Saglit. Real Talk Darbs.
Yes,
Jensen.
RTD
Yes.
Jensen.
Darbs. We're from the same city. Sa small bookstore, and I remember that was the only book I bought when I was, I think, around 10 or 11.
Oh wow, you're so young.
Yeah,
when
that
you
time.
started reading that.
Yes. So
You were
parang
exposed at young age
yes.
talaga.
Yes.
You were exposed that young, tapos sabi mo, it was your mom na first love mo in terms of your journey to personal
Yes.
development. If I may ask, what does your mother do? Nag-business ba sila? Or,
Yeah. So
that's
my
why.
dad and my mom talagang they had to detach from their families because that time lang because it was a love that is that could not happen during that time. They nagbuklod sila, and then eventually they built a business from bahay kubo pa yung bahay namin before. I remember it talagang I can see the the ingay of kasi they sell bakal.
Yes,
So
yes,
they
yes.
fabricate mga steel pero
Yung
maliit
yung
pa lang. Yes.
ganon, oo.
So just imagine me, ganon, parang pang sauce, in front of our house. So bahay kubo, and then eventually it grew and it expanded, and yeah, that's
And
that's
until
it.
now, ano pa din yung business? Andyan pa din.
It's going strong. My mom is
Wow.
not with us anymore, but he has a new wife, and it's an amazing new family that we have. So yeah, it's bakal, but I'm no longer connected with it. But I'm very much helpful. Yeah, and I went to a new direction, which is building brands.
Yes.
Very
And
nice.
from what I recall, you actually won a marketing something award in
In
2019.
2019.
Yes.
Tama ba? Can you tell
yeah.
us a little bit about it?
Yeah. I was connected to Philippine Marketing Association.
PMA, yes, yes,
PMA.
yes.
So when I was young, parang when I was young, mga memories, they made me join Agora Youth Awards and so on and so forth. And eventually they asked me to join because parang I've been in business for a few years to join the Asia's marketing.
Yung parang
award.
similar to TOYM.
Yes. Pero I think this is more about in Asia. So para I remember nag-apply ako. I applied to other, alam mo yung mahilig tayo sa mga awards dati eh.
Yes,
Alam mo yun?
yes.
So I applied to
Kasi
a
yun
lot
yung
of,
naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Nung sa school kasi talaga
Yeah.
tayo, talagang you have to
Achiever
collect,
talaga.
you have to
Yes.
collect as many
Yes.
certificates,
If you're an achiever,
awards.
you want that
Yes.
recognition.
especially when you're young and especially when you're from provinciano,
Yes.
you really want to prove yourself here in Metro
Yes,
Manila. eh,
true,
diba?
true.
So I applied, and this one was the one that really was parang beautiful coincidences because the interview was great, and then eventually we won Asia's most outstanding marketer.
Galing. That is so
Yeah.
nice.
Ano yung mo? Di ba you're exposed to business at a young age?
Yeah.
Ano yung first business mo outside dun sa steel business na
Okay.
sinimulan mo talaga nung bata ka?
Bata was selling mga candies. So I remember when I was young, na naman tayo. Meron
Hindi,
pala.
sabihin na lang natin, like 2 years ago.
Yeah, not that long ago. I remember I was at the gate. Like walang hiya talaga ako. I asked my mom to buy
Lagyan
me.
natin ng space. Walang hiya.
Walang, oo. Like,
Baka kasi mapagdikitin nila eh.
oo,
Okay.
walang hiya. Nung time na yon, I asked my mom to buy me candies.
Yeah.
No? Tapos i-resell ko siya. Tapos nung mga cards nung bata tayo. Diba? So ako, sarapan ako, that was the time I learned about confidence and salesmanship. Because 15 pesos, ginawa ko 25 pesos. Yung 10 pesos na yun, iniipon ko eventually. Yeah.
Oh, ang nice.
Yes, yun yung parang first taste ko na ano pala ako, malakas. Yun nga, walang hiya.
Yeah,
Oo.
yes.
Meron ka talagang entrepreneurship
I think.
skills, nasa blood talaga siya.
Yeah.
Do you think like it's an innate in you ba? Or dahil parang na-inspire ka with your parents?
I was inspired by my parents. I really have to give the credit to them because another version of me would have been abroad and do advertising and marketing. But when I was young, naman, skirt na to, grabe na
Ay,
yun.
Mango.
I was told talaga the value of providing livelihood to people. So, we cooked spaghetti together for the December kapag year-end party.
Okay.
Kasama kami magbigay sa mga tao namin.
Oo.
So, parang sabi nila, anak, when you grow, you don't look for money. You look for opportunities where you can provide livelihood and money will follow.
Yes,
That's true,
that's very
that's
good.
So, when I was parang imprinted of that, I only think about how many jobs will this give?
Yes.
Or are we giving quality jobs? So parang I think a life of service became the theme, the common theme about the entire life. Yeah.
It's very nice because nag-start ka sa purpose.
Yeah.
Hindi siya about money.
Yes.
Nag-start sa
yes.
purpose because you want to help other people.
Correct. Yeah.
Ang ganda nung tsaka ang ganda nung upbringing sa kanya. And I believe
Yeah.
but do you have siblings?
Yeah. So my sister is my equal half in the business. So we owned our business na it's I'll tell you later, but she is my CEO.
That's nice.
So,
Oo.
ako kasi, I'm more in the creative side.
Yes.
And I'm the guy who, especially when nagsimula pa lang kami, you know, you bring so much opportunities,
Yeah.
but you also bring so much chaos. Right? Kasi you change your mind a lot and she's my
Yes.
amazing equal. She's the
Yeah.
operator.
So siya yung parang nagbabalance sa'yo, nag-ground
Yeah.
sa'yo.
Oh yeah, so much.
Yeah.
I
So
do
you have a
need it.
very creative mind. Ibig sabihin,
Yeah.
medyo malikot yung imagination
Yeah.
mo. You're thinking a lot of things.
Yes.
So that's why you need somebody with you para to level you up.
Yeah, so I'm the hunter in the equation. She's the farmer. I hunt for what's next, and then she puts the cement on the para doon yung dadaanan namin lahat.
That's
Yes.
nice.
And it's
Yeah.
very good na you have this relationship with your sister.
Yes.
Kasi minsan, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Oh, yeah.
Other siblings, hindi nila nakuha yung, wala silang same interest.
That's true.
Pero ngayon nagkakaintindihan kayo, equally minded.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun,
Oo.
you
Yeah,
understand
it's
the value
easier.
of money
Yeah.
Yes.
and the value of hard work as well.
Yeah.
If I may ask, nung,
Yeah.
nung growing up ka, ano yung mga gusto mong laro? Parang kasi you started
Yeah.
reading the book age 10.
Yeah.
Which is just 2 years ago.
Yes, exactly. Diba?
Diba?
How you calculate that, that's on you.
Bahala kayo. I-clarify. Paano niya
Problema
i-clarify?
niyo yun.
Paano ninyo ibabangga sa isip niyo yan?
Yes.
Bahala na po. Pero you started at a very young age of 10. Because I remember, at age 10, I was still doing jumping jack, alam mo yung Chinese
Yeah.
garter.
Yeah.
Very strict bang parents mo? Kailangan matutunan nyo to or hindi?
No
They allowed you to
naman.
play.
No, but they allowed us to play. I think that we were the last era of play, to be honest. Outside, like yung nasa labas tayo and we do yung mga ganon at saka mga Chinese garter,
Shato. Oo,
shatong.
yes.
Year yun, ako baka
Oo, lalabas talaga to. And we don't care.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who's counting, who's judging?
Who's counting,
Diba?
diba?
So, ano yung mga favorite laro mo nung mga time
I
na
think
yun?
I would be doing, Chinese garter,
Shato.
badminton, shatong,
Yes.
yeah, basta yung mga laro na mag-amoy kang
Pawis.
pawis at alikabok. ng
Oo,
alas
yung
5 ng
uuwi ka,
hapon.
mapapagalitan ka kasi
Yes.
talagang nangangamoy asim ka.
Araw, yes.
Yes. Ano
Yes.
favorite song mo?
Ako, now?
Na, nung bata ka.
Nung bata ako.
Na, even until now, parang
Jolina,
naaalala
magdangal
mo.
tayo eh. Hindi na talaga maihinto
Wait,
yan.
ano ba
Pumunta
yung
ako
kanta
ng
ni
concert.
Jolina? Ano yung kanta ni Hindi.
Di ba yun? Mali.
Doon na
Iba
yun
yun
eh.
Ay, iba ka generation. Ibang
Ano
universe
to?
to.
Medyo
Oo.
mas nauna yan, girl.
Yes.
Si Jolina at
Ano
saka
ba
si
ang Jolina?
Marvin.
Yes.
Diba? Ano mga kanta nga nila?
Sana'y pag-ibig na lang. Ay, di ba?
Sila
Kasama
yan, no? Ay, hindi. Pero meron silang original song eh.
Yeah.
Doon sa mga movies nila ni Marvin Agustin.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Pagpatulong na lang tayo sa mga
Oo.
viewers.
Guys, tulungan niyo po kami. Ano yung mga
Pakilagay
kanta?
na lang po.
Di ba
Basta
nakarelate
promise.
kayo?
Yes.
Oo.
Paki-research nga, Prod, please. Ano yung mga kanta
Si
ni
Lance,
Jolina?
Yes,
Lance
we're willing to
eh.
give 5 seconds for
Si Lance
some-
may makontribute si Lance.
Yeah. Pero even until now, pag nare-recall mo yan, does it bring back any, parang smile or memory to you? Ganyan.
Yeah, definitely. When they have a reunion, sabi ko, papanoorin ko yun. Yung parang yung wanna pay, di ba they have a reunion now ni
Yes,
Jolina
they have a
at saka
comeback.
ni
Oh,
Marvin?
talaga ba?
Yes.
Si
Yes.
Jolina tsaka si
Marvin.
Marvin.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
They're the first, the couple talaga na talaga pumunta ako at naglinya ako sa,
Really? Seryoso ba?
sa concert, sa Jensen.
Oh, wow.
So, sobrang, they're the face of our youth when it comes to
What about them that made you talaga na go and alam mo yun, make sure na
Yeah.
pipila ka at makikita mo sila in person?
I think they're very romantic, 'di ba? Parang sila yung pinaka hindi masyadong flashy na romantic couple. It's just kilig. It's just
Funny
pure
lang.
kilig na you enjoyed when you were young and you were wishing you're gonna have that fairy tale one day.
Yes.
Ang romantic mo pala, no?
I think.
Hopeless,
Hindi siya sure.
hopeless
Hindi ako
romantic.
sure.
Oh, hindi
Yeah.
mo sure. Hopeless romantic. Ako kasi,
I think.
proclaimed hopeless romantic ako.
Ayun ako, magkakonnect tayo dyan.
Ayan. O, tinan mo, love
Bibigay lahat.
language. Love
Ibibigay.
language.
Parang ko kanta yun ni eh.
Ano yung pinaka-romantic na nagawa mo?
Ako, I was, let's go.
Pinaka-romantic, tapos most expensive.
Which part of the world ba? I mean not world, I mean sa labas or sa loob na bahay? Sa labas.
Hindi. Mas gusto ko yung labas.
Hindi. I remember
We're done talking about family love.
I know.
Tayo sa love life.
Oo, pang 10 p.m. ng gabi.
Yes.
It's I remember myself sa labas ng bahay. I was making ligaw with that girl. Okay, I'll be honest.
Alam mo, kinikilig na ako. Grabe
Kinikilig
yung
ka na.
ngiti ko.
Oh, so ito I'm no longer into women. So I'm now in this path, but when I was growing up, I was making ligaw talaga. And talaga I remember I was in the rain, I was handling talaga flowers.
Oh, wow.
And I was making ligaw. I was that into I was that romantic. When I eventually grew up siguro.
Alam mo, parang yung mga K-drama, no? Umuulan,
Oo.
nag-aabang ka
Ulan.
kay girl,
Yes.
hawak mo yung bulaklak.
Yes.
Uy, uso pa nun yung love letter. Kasi wala pang
Yes.
text.
May tayong mga letters dati.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tapos gumagamit ka ng
Tapos may mga points pa tayo.
perfume pen.
Yeah.
Yung kisses,
Naku, wala
yung
ata
kisses.
kaming perfume.
Ah, walang pen.
Wala
Aww.
na yung fad nun nung bata. Nawala na siya.
Nalaglag ako bigla.
Oo. Nakita ko siya sa before. Naglag.
Yeah. Pero tinanggap ni girl yung
Yeah,
flowers.
yeah.
Naging kayo?
No. And I love siguro na hindi naging kami. Kasi talaga I do not know how to do beyond that. Kasi when I was making ligaw, I was too alam mo yung nerdy ka about it.
Yes.
And then hindi ako nagkaroon ng like an actual relationship na it became longer na talaga I was able to keep it. Yeah.
Naalala mo pa ba yung mga sinulat mo sa love letter?
Yeah, I think oh my gosh, nabigla ako sa slam book millionaire na to Parang feel ko I'm gonna open something, ang daming stickers.
Masyado tayo nababad sa love, pero please go ahead.
Yeah.
Ano lang, yung mga
I-
one.
Yeah, I think I remember saying sa kanya na I'll always be, alam mo yung always be there.
Yeah. Ay, di naman yata nawawala yun.
Boys ng mga linyahan.
Oo, hindi naman
Oo.
yata nawawala sa kahit hanggang
I
ngayon,
always,
diba?
Uso sa atin yung mga ang tawag doon yung always, Italy. Yung mga
Yeah. I trust and love you.
Yes, mga PGI, ano ba yun?
Mga ganyan. But
Yes.
ngayon, ano yung pinaka most expensive show of love that you did for someone?
Oh, diba? Sana hindi ito mananood nila dad. It was an unreciprocated love, but I gave that person, like an iPad.
Whoa!
Because the person was working really hard, and
Yes.
then nasa medical school.
Yes,
And
okay.
Very good friend.
Very good friend.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, sino ang first love mo in terms of your journey to personal development? Is there anybody na parang, kunwari, sina Tony Robbins, sina
Right.
Robert Kiyosaki, yung parang pag pinapakinggan mo sila,
Yeah.
talagang hihinto mo lahat. Ako kasi right now, that would be Dr. Joe Dispenza for me.
Oh my God, we have the same! Yeah!
Sister,
I know,
feeling
sisters
ko,
tayo,
diba?
besh.
Yeah,
Oo.
parang kapag bigla siyang nagdumaan talaga sa feed ko.
I listen.
Or talaga, kasi naman sa Doma, ang daming sinasabi ni Dr. Joe Dispenza, hindi pwedeng half-hearted ka makikinig sa kanya.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you really
Yeah.
won't get it. Kasi
Yeah.
sobrang lalim niyang magpaliwanag. Pero
Yeah.
gets na gets mo
Oh,
pag
yeah.
pakikinggan mo.
Eh,
So, who is that person? Is it Dr. Joe for you?
The first three would definitely be kasama siya. First, of course, Anthony Robbins, yung mga simula natin. Diba?
Yes.
Robbins.
Nagpa-priming ka.
Yes. Like, yeah.
Favorite namin priming.
Yes. And then, gusto ko may actions din ako. Diba? Second, definitely would be when I was younger. I forget Pero basta another one would be Joe Dispenza kasi I think he knows the language that we were wanting to discover. It
Yes.
resonates deeply. It doesn't come in easy to understand.
Yes.
But then eventually it reveals layers.
Yes.
Eventually you learn it as you mature.
Yeah. What I love about Dr. Joe Dispenza, he's a
Yeah.
neuro,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes.
Neuro doctor siya,
Neuroscientist?
neurosurgeon, something.
Neurosurgeon.
Basta nasa related to brain, yung
Yeah.
profession niya before.
Yeah.
Until, so, ano kasi siya, and then something happened to him, and then the doctors around him were telling him na wala nang pag-asa yung
Yeah.
situation niya.
Yeah.
Doon siya nag-start to read about, he went deeper into spirituality. Doon siya
Yeah.
nag-start maging woo-woo.
Yeah.
So what I love about him kasi he was able to meet science and the woo-woo stuff.
Yes.
So that's-
Spirituality and science
yes, kasi
together.
there's always may disconnect
Yeah.
Pero sa kanya, he was able to marry together.
Yeah.
And he used yung yung background niya to provide solid documents and proofs.
Yeah.
Kumbaga
Correct.
parang hindi lang siya coming from the space na dahil na-experience ko to, meron talaga siyang science behind around it because he used so many tools and mechanism.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So
invite na talaga natin siya sa Philippines.
Dr. Joe Dispenza, if you're
Yeah,
listening, we
You're very
want you here in the
welcome to
Philippines. So many
Philippines.
of your fans are waiting for you.
Yeah.
So,
and you're
see
the
you.
only group who can do that.
Wow.
Bring world-class speakers home. And I
Yeah.
think sa inyo na yung pressure. So it's your mission. Do it for
Yes,
us. We're
and
gonna
then we'll
buy-
let you know
Yes.
ASAP.
VIP na agad yarn.
Yeah, naka-reserve na kagad for
Yes,
you.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Ano yung mga mo? May favorite food ka ba na kinakain that bring back old memories for you? Maka-old. 2 years ago.
Childhood
Palabok.
memories. Palabok.
Because my mom...
Palabok.
Palabok.
Jollibee, hindi.
No, like
Okay.
the palengke
Homemade.
palabok.
Ah.
Because when I was young, my mom would bring me to the, syempre, di ba, palengke. And then this palabok was the taste of, another mother giving you
Yeah.
really hearty food.
Ganda nun. Yes,
Diba?
yes.
So,
Parang alam mo yung
loved it.
ratatouille.
Yes, oo,
Yeah,
oo.
yeah.
What's your aside from the food, ano yung favorite memory mo sa childhood?
Childhood, gusto ko to na parang lagi talaga ungkat ng ng
Pag
mga
ilang page
aparador.
na to ng
Yes,
stuff.
Oo.
hahalongkatin natin.
Yeah. Memory ko when I was young, I think, is gonna be with my parents when we go to the resorts. Kasi I think that was pure play. And that was just I think those are hard to happen now because
Correct.
ngayon it's you have to schedule it,
Yes.
diba? You have to make time. Before it's just you can go there on a Sunday.
Yes,
And
yes,
just go to
yes.
the nature spring and you just feel the play that you guys wanted to have a memory with. But
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka before kasi, like halimbawa ngayon, malls, ang
Yeah.
dami na nasa paligid
Yeah.
na, tapos almost all malls,
Yeah.
nandoon na yung mga kailangan natin. So,
Too convenient.
during nung
Yeah.
childhood time
Yeah.
natin,
Walang
talagang
TV.
mag-e-effort yung mga parents natin to
Yeah.
create those memories for us.
Yes.
Lalo na kayo, Cotabato and Jensen, na
Yes.
talagang
So many.
Tsaka wala pang mga cellphone
Oo,
before.
oo.
Wala pang mga video games. So, talagang pupunta ka ng mga resort.
yes.
Yeah.
Sa Mindanao, marami kasi niyan,
Sobra.
diba?
Yeah. And speaking of food, na naalala ko, pasalamatan natin ang ating sponsor na Smoke Love Barbecue.
Smoke
Right.
Love Barbecue! Hi, mahal!
May pamahal. Smoke Love Barbecue, the tenderest. Wow.
The tenderest.
Nanunuot sa sarap na smoke barbecue. Kung natatakam ka na, I Am Fantabulous by Joanna
Joanna Marie.
Yan po, if you are into affirmations and you wanna declare, alam mo yon, wear your affirmation.
Yes.
Punta na po kayo sa page ni I Am Fantabulous by Joanna Marie. Ay, ako po yun. I am offering different shirts po with different affirmations. And these affirmations are my personal affirmations.
Yeah, we
These are
love
the-
affirmations.
Yeah, these are the affirmations po na nakatulong sa akin
Yeah.
on my own journey.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Love it.
So, ikaw ngayon, Ralph, that you are, di ba, nag-NBU ka,
Yeah.
nag-organize ka na, ano yung inspiration mo into creating an event like New Bold You?
That was when 2019.
Mm-hmm.
I remember I just organized a city festival.
Mm-hmm.
And then I realized na I can make something happen.
Yes.
And eventually, I shared this with many podcast interviews in the past na the story talaga was, there was this one guy who was very famous in our college. He sings, he is like the matini idol. So parang people they betting on him to be successful one day.
Okay.
Eventually, he was in a call center, no, and then when I saw him, he was not himself. He was like very dull looking.
Yeah,
And then parang I also learned he was fucking around.
Yeah.
So parang sabi ko, and ako, by that time, I was already achieving some stuff, right? And for me, it was very unfair
Yeah.
na this person who's more talented than I am will not get the same parang opportunities for success. And I said, why is this like this?
Yeah, parang kumbaga parang hindi, sorry for the term, pero parang na-waste yung mga opportunities
Yeah.
that he has during the
Yeah.
college years. So,
And not by design.
yeah.
It was because there were circumstances in the past that allowed this circumstance to happen. That is, one of them is really school. And sabi ko, why is school not really accommodating the unique gift of a person? Because the point of a school is to provide, to see an opportunity or a breakthrough in that person and hone on that, right? And not see them as all the same.
Yes.
And I felt that was an answer na parang it was something na if I can get to support or find a way to solve, this will solve a lot of people's problems.
Yes.
Because that was that time, yung mga thought catalog, yung mga finding your passion, di ba? That was the thing during that time. But there was not much pa namang avenues that time. And what I did was, I thought of an idea. Like, what if I bring in the best, speakers or mentors.
Motivational
right? Motivational speakers. Mentors, actual CEOs, and make them the speakers, no? And then I'll bring in as many people as possible. I don't see that education should be only for the kids or for
Yes.
people who are young, but also for the adults because we never stop learning. Let's
Yes.
bring them in one space and let's do this for 5 days. And I know it's crazy, but let's go for it. I only had 300,000 cash that time, and I spent most of that money to just make that happen because I was impregnated of it. I'm like, I could not see the world without it. So parang I organized it, and people in the last minute, which I feel is the point of our missions, Joanna,
Yes,
no?
yes.
Na parang we don't see the support with our big, hairy, ambitious goals, but eventually because it was God ordained, people will come to your rescue.
Yes.
And then eventually it became a reality. And then I lost 200,000. But I said, I know what's gonna happen in January. Let's get Francis Kong, let's get all of these amazing people. Let's stage a bigger one.
Yes.
Happen in UP Diliman 2020. And then that was the point of NPU. That it really started from a person's pain, sabi ko.
Yes.
This should not happen. People should know who they are.
So that's why we're hearing lots of good things about NBU
Yeah.
because the reason and there was a purpose
Yes.
behind it.
Yes.
And thank you for living that. Alam mo, doing something
Yeah.
to actually create something to
Yeah.
serve another person's
Yeah.
dilemma.
Yeah.
Sabi nga nila ba, 'di ba sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, business is all about problem solving,
Right.
right? Look for a problem and then
Yeah.
create a solution for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan.
But this is not about yung problem na money.
Yes.
This is about yung tao mismo.
Yeah.
We want to help. Kasi
Yeah.
really, we need that. Tama yung sinabi mo, it's not just for the kids. Kasi actually, we always guide the children. How about the adult?
Adults.
Mas
Yes.
kailangan ng guidance, actually.
Yeah.
Actually, right now, no,
Yeah.
parang dahil nandito tayo sa mundo
Yeah.
ng personal development.
space ng
Di ba
personal
sabi nga nila, the 0 to 7 years old of a kid, napaka-importante,
Important.
formative. Diba? So, that's why ako kudos to your parents.
Yeah.
Kasi nandiyan yung parents mo sa'yo.
Yeah.
They become really good models for you.
Right.
Because sa MMI, di ba, modeling,
Yes.
verbal conditioning, those
Yes.
are the things talaga na nakikita natin
Yeah.
growing up. Doon tayo nagpo-form ng mga beliefs about everything in life. So, yung 0 to 7, pag hindi talaga yan naalagaan,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, this person's future is gonna be affected. But right now, because of so many
Because of
information
circumstances.
available,
Yeah.
ang dami kasi parang, alam mo, parang gift din sa atin ng kabataan natin
Yeah.
na hindi tayo exposed walang social media at that time.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga opinions sa mga tao, hindi nakakarating sa atin. Good and bad opinions, hindi siya ganon ka-accessible for us. So right now, yung mga bata talaga, because as early as 1 or 2 years old or 3 years old, they're already on social media. Hindi natitingnan kung ano ba talaga yung mga kinokonsume nila. So, alam mo yan, ang laki ng potential na makapag-create ka ng bata na magiging very helpful
Yeah.
sa economy or not so sa, alam mo, growing up.
Yes.
Yan. Pero
I
right
agree.
now also, yun na nga, dahil ang daming opinions, ang daming available information sa atin, even people at our age right now, despite lahat ng mga na available resources for us, we still need help.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So,
Actually, that's a
kailangan
very
talaga
good
natin.
topic. Kasi right now, we're very particular na about the opinion of other people. Bakit nga ba, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Parang we always listen to them na
Yeah.
parang to the point na you live up to their expectations.
Yes.
That's true.
Actually, it's so easy to say na wag tayo makinig sa
Yeah.
opinion ng iba.
Yeah.
Pero
True.
honestly, ako nga, nasa space na ako ng personal development.
Yeah.
I talk about gratitude, I talk about personal development, personal finance, pero naho-hold back pa rin ako eh. There were times pa rin na parang biglang magkakaroon ako ng self-awareness. Sa shucks!
Yeah.
Bakit ako nagda-doubt? Bakit
Because
ako
you're just
nagtataka?
human.
Yes.
Pero ang
Yeah.
importante, yung hindi mo siya tatambayan.
Yes.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's
Hindi
true.
mo siya i-accept as your
It's
truth.
you have to create a muscle to choose what information
Yes.
you will believe.
And people
Correct.
like you
Yeah.
who creates NBU
Yeah, yeah.
and kudos sa mga iba ring mga organizers.
Yes.
Yes,
Like
like
Laurus.
Laurus Enterprises, our sponsor, Laurus Enterprises,
Yes.
your go-to company for any
Yeah.
self-growth and personal
Personal
development,
development.
professional development
Yes.
as well. And also, mga other speakers, coaches, and trainers also
Yes.
who are in this space of elevating the self-mastery of human beings. Kudos
Love
to
it.
all of us.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, ikaw, last na lang, yes, tawag dito, growing up, do you have a motto in life na even until now, ginagamit mo pa rin?
I don't know, it's shifted so many times. Dati kasi don't do unto others what you don't want to do. to you, diba?
Eh kasi naman sa
Yun na yun
school,
kasi. Oo.
diba?
Tsaka sa Bible, yeah.
Alam mo nung school ako, dahil sa school ako, elementary, lahat yata ng room na napasukan ko, dahil sa taas ng blackboard yun eh.
Yeah.
Do unto others what you want others do unto
Right.
you.
Yeah.
Diba?
Right.
Mm-mm.
But I had this moment right now, no? Maybe I just share siguro what's the most resonating line that becomes like a very important statement in my life right now is build a life that you're proud of,
Aw.
Yeah, I love that. Guys, build a life that you are proud of. True.
right?
Yes.
And can I share why?
Yes.
Sure, please.
Kasi there was a time in our lives, right? We have so much plans and so much goals, and there's variations of us na parang there's also conflicts about it on our values. If we want more time with our family, if we also want this much money, or if you
Yes.
want to... so there's all of these goals. And I had this moment talaga na parang I was stuck in a loop. And I felt na I could not break out of that loop because there was just so much, it's like you said earlier, so much opinions and so much parang modeling about a lot of other people's ways of living. And I felt na parang, you know what, my internal compass knows eh.
Yes.
Because God has plans for you.
Yeah.
you know?
Yes.
And when you turn off that noise and you finally listen to your voice, to your inner voice, and then eventually you realize that the only way that you have a fuller life is when you fully express who you are
Yes.
and not wanting others' opinions become the direction where you go.
Yes.
That eventually everything that you build, kasi gusto natin malaki. Like for example, ang pinapala sa akin ngayon, malalim ba to? Malalim.
Yes.
And then when you live your life in the path of just you're proud of what you built next,
Yes.
you'll be fine.
And
Because
that
you
would
like
be your
yourself
ano rin
more.
eh,
And that
internal
is the
compass.
true meaning of freedom.
Yes,
It's
exactly.
your internal compass eh, not living by the definition of success, happiness,
Yes.
by
Yeah.
other people.
Yeah.
Pero
Yes.
ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, you know that you are happy, you are
Yeah.
fulfilled based on the requirements that you set for yourself,
Exactly.
not by other people.
Exactly.
Yes. That's in the
Ganda
book
nun.
of The Courage to be Disliked.
Yeah.
I love that book
yes.
as well. Oh my
Yun
God.
talaga.
Oo.
Very nice book.
Yeah.
And right now, It's a very essential book actually for so many people kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa panahon wherein the opinions of other
So
people
many
and being
noises.
liked
Yeah.
by other people matters a lot.
Yeah. Yes.
Like the numbers of likes, the number of reactions, are people agreeing with me?
Yes.
And alam mo yun, isang
yung
marinig
good
lang.
image.
Yeah,
Yung
may
good
isang marinig
image
lang na
lang.
hindi tayo nagustuhan ng isang tao.
Correct.
It crushes people already, nawawala
Yeah.
na yung self-esteem,
Yes.
bumababa ang self-confidence.
We always rebuild ourselves in the process of growth.
Yes.
And I agree with that so much. I think you guys are harping the right words. I think everybody can relate with that. And I think moving forward talaga, it's always a realization. That's why you meditate every single day.
Yes.
No, because you realize that these are just noises.
Correct.
Eventually talaga, what's left is your discernment on who you opt to be in the moment.
Exactly.
Diba?
Agree,
Yeah.
100%.
Yes. Grabe tayo dito. Feel ko mga angels tayo dito.
Angels, ako naman I just
Oo,
wanna add,
may
pray
healing.
then meditate. Pray and
Yeah.
meditate.
Amen.
Yes.
Tingnan mo kasi.
Una pala tayo
May
kanina.
Yes.
content. Pero pray and meditate talaga.
Sobra.
Start and end the day with a prayer, and then in the middle of the day,
Yes.
go meditate so that you can connect to your higher self.
Exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
And speaking of prayer and meditations and personal development, I believe that this product of yours is a product of everything
yeah.
na ginagawa mo. Before tayo mag-end, please do
Yeah.
tell us about this.
This is our new brand. Our goal is to make world-class brands.
Yes.
Diba, brands we're proud of. And this is not just another fragrance, right? We collaborated with one of the best fragrance reviewers who's also like respected in the community. Our goal is to create a world-class brand. And we started, it's GP, and then powered by Noah. So it's a personal care brand, si Noah.
How do you pronounce it?
GP.
GP, yes.
It's by Greg Parilla. So we named it after him, and we just empowered his mission. No?
Wow.
And then so we just launched our first collection. So it's a Dreamer collection, and this one is Éclate Moi.
Éclate moi.
Diba? So this is a local scent. It's made by local perfumer, and talagang Filipinos will be proud of this brand.
Yes,
So if you guys
proud
are
Pinoy.
looking for a really great fragrance,
Not an
go there.
imitation, but an
Yeah.
original scent.
Absolutely.
Yes.
It smells so sexy.
It does.
Have you tried?
Tonight.
So, hindi ko kailangan sabihin.
It's a combination of cognac plus
Yeah,
cacao.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's actually masarap siya sa ilong kasi nandoon yung sweetiness but at the same time may nuttiness
Yes.
na nandoon. Yung middle, yung top note niya is the cherry.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
mentioned kanina. So that's why it's sweet. Diba?
Yeah. All I can say is, if you want to go on a date,
Yes.
this is the best perfume.
If you wanna go for a successful date.
Yes!
Let's define success. Patagalin natin yung production natin. Kumakamot na ang ulo.
Yes.
If you want to, ano man.
But guys, if you're looking for a perfume and you want to support your fellow Filipino,
Yeah.
please, let's support our Filipino
Yeah.
entrepreneurs because the
Exactly.
only way that we can help, the economy of the Philippines is by supporting Filipino entrepreneurs.
Correct.
Yeah.
And right now, so many Filipino entrepreneurs are very ingenious na.
Yeah.
Talagang nag-iisip sila, what can I offer to the fellow Filipino that's no longer an imitation
Yes.
of existing scents, but 100% original. And
creative.
you have Éclate
Where they
Moi.
can get this?
They can buy it in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop.
Yan.
Wow. And
So,
then they will just look for
Éclate Moi.
Éclate Moi. Yeah, or you can look at the screen right now, the contact, the details, the link will be there. So, murang-mura lang po siya. It's only how much?
1,500 for
Wow.
a niche
It's-
quality.
And it's an
Wow.
EDP.
It's an EDP.
Yeah, niche products, niche perfumes. Alam niyo ba kung magkano? Pinakamura na po 9,000 pesos. When you go
Super
to
expensive.
Shang, ganun po kamahal ang mga niche perfumes. So this is just a portion of that. 1,550 ml na po. At EDP na siya, meaning magtatagal yung amoy.
Yes.
You don't
And
have to spray it over and
Maganda
over.
siya pang regalo. Hindi ka
Very.
mapapahiya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sobrang classy ng
Yeah.
dating.
Yes. Masarap po siya sa ilong, honestly. Walang bola. Hindi po kami nang bobola dito.
Hindi talaga. Masasabi ko, if you want to go on a successful date, kung gusto mo talaga makuha yung matamis na
If you wanna
oo,
achieve your goals, then
This is
because
the
we're goal
best
achievers
perfume.
here, This is the perfume to go. Yeah.
Katatapos lang po ng Valentine's, no, a few weeks
Yes.
ago. Pwedeng mag-Valentine's every day.
Yes!
Why not?
Who defines Valentine's anyway? We, right?
My life, my rules. Hey! Rebel Yorm. Yes.
Ayan. So, this
Ayan
wraps
na.
up. Grabe, dami pa po namin sanang gustong itanong.
Part 2, part 2.
Part 2 na ba? Ang dami nating pwedeng buklatin sa drawers and sa closet and cabinet nito ni Ralph. Pero for now, bibitinin po muna namin kayo. And if you want to have a part 2, let us know.
Yes.
'Di ba? Ano pa po yung mga gusto ninyong malaman from the childhood, from the slam book of the
Write
one and
your
only.
comments below. Ganon.
Yes. From the slam book of the one and only Ralph
Ralph Laico.
Laico. Ayan. So girl, can you please invite them?
Saan?
Saan? Sa Loros Events, of course. Kailangan. Sa ating
Ito naman
major
tayo
sponsor.
eh.
Sa major sponsor.
Alright, our major sponsor for Slumbook Millionaire is natatawa tuloy ako. Loris Enterprises PH. You can follow us in Facebook. Just look for Loris Enterprises and there you'll see our events. Our upcoming events, Millionaire Mind Intensive, Cash Flow Workshop 101, facilitated by Joanna Marie. We also have the Unmessable by Aljo Pereira. And
Yes.
soon, our National Achievers Congress. Watch out kung sino yung magiging speaker natin.
Ooh,
International
interesting.
speaker.
Yes.
Love it.
And many more. We have lots of programs na ginagawa ngayon for everyone.
Yes. And of course, don't forget to check out New Bold,
Bold
You
You. Yeah.
so that you can create a bolder, new version of you who is not afraid, who would always be empowered, who would always have his or her internal compass.
Amen.
Of course, by the one and only Ralph Laico
Yeah.
lang yan.
Any
go.
message for our viewers?
Yeah, thank you. First of all, I enjoyed this talk. Parang feel ko, nag-ano lang tayo dito, nag-chikahan.
Nagchikahan,
Which I
yes.
love. It's just a beautiful conversation. I'd love to invite you guys to check out Noah and Eve. In Solgood, we have our latest restaurant. I love it so much. It's a healthy dining
Wow.
destination. You guys can look for that in 57 East Capitol in Capitolio.
O, Kapitolyo lang. Lapit
Yes.
sa akin.
Ayun. Yeah.
Ayan, sige.
Yeah, sige.
So
soon.
may bago na kaming kakainin ng asawa ko.
Yes.
Ayan. Sige, any last message na motto mo para sa kanila? Di ba yung sa
Yeah.
slam book natin,
Yeah.
may pamoto.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So ano yung motto na na gusto mong iwan sa kanilang lahat?
Ako, I forget mottos, no? But I think one advice or maybe a sharing from me would to always never forget to make important moments with the people that you love.
Yes.
Kasi I think right now it's always been about the hustle,
Yes.
the growth. We forget that we've missed the moments that really count. And that is
Yes.
the people that we love, our family, and the people na wants our time.
True.
And-
Your true reason why you're doing this,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes. Yan. Thank you so much, Ralph.
Thank you.
We truly enjoyed
Thank
this
you so much.
conversation with you.
Appreciation to
We
you,
appreciate
Grabe.
your
We love you
time.
so
Maraming
much.
maraming salamat for saying yes to us. And to you, our dear viewers and listeners as well, we want to thank you for your time because time is the most precious gift that you can ever give to someone. That's why we are truly grateful to you kasi nag-spend po kayo ng 1 hour or so with us. So from my heart to yours, from Jem's heart na rin to yours, please receive all appreciation and gratitude. We'll see you sa next episode ng Slumbook Millionaire with Jeff.
And Joanna. Parang nabaliktad.
Yeah. Bye for now. God bless
so
you.
much.
Bye!
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this episode, share this to your social media accounts and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, share it with us at Slumbook Millionaire PH.
Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified for our next episode.
If you know a millionaire or maybe you are the millionaire, let us know.
We'd love to have you on the show, definitely. We'd love to hear your story as well. And of course, don't forget, follow us as well at Joanna Marie Lazaro
and Jeb Aurelio.
See you in the next episode, Millionaire!